Hey Tahmi, I have a little challenge for you. Take this tiny piece of paper and try to make something out of it. Let's see how good of a crafter you really are and what you can come up with.
Hey Foxy, what should I make with this little piece of paper? Alright then, since you challenged me, I accept. Let's see what I can create, but I promise I will make something that might even scare you.
Tahmi, let's see what happens.
Since Foxy challenged me, I had to make something, but honestly, I had no idea what to create at first. Then an idea popped into my mind. Since I usually make stickers, why not make a ghost stickers? This time, something spooky enough to scare Foxy, because I did promise that I would scare her. Ha ha ha! Hope you will enjoy my coloring. I'm using alcohol markers here. These colors are honestly my favorites. Which marker do you use? Let me know in the comments. I'm waiting. Now I'm telling you a story. Today I opened my little craft book and found something magical inside. First, a tiny ghost popped out, holding a heart, trying to look cute. But I knew it was planning something spooky. Then I discovered a spell book and a little witch hat beside it. Looks like something was mixing magic. Suddenly, I noticed a creepy cute cupcake with a big eyeball on top, staring right at me, and next to it, candy with a skull in the middle. Who eats that? But the strangest of all was the potion bottle. Inside it, there were tiny skull creatures swimming around like they were having fun. I think all these spooky stickers are working together on a secret Halloween plan, and I just found their hideout. Yay! Please everyone, comment and tell me how you were enjoying the video. I hope you will enjoy the ending as well. Don't forget to give a like and leave a comment so that I can win this challenge with Foxy. I think after seeing these stickers, Foxy got so scared that she almost fainted. That's why she's completely quiet now. No talking, no attitude at all. You guys tell me, how are you liking them? I'm using here transparent plastic to stick the sticker. Here I'm using transparent plastic paper and I am cutting a little slide on the back so I can easily peel the sticker off later. It makes the sticker much easier to use.
Wait, what is this? These stickers look so cute, but why are so spooky? I swear the ghost just blinked at me, and there's potion bottle and those tiny skulls moving. Oh, okay, I admit it. You totally scared me with the stickers. Fine, you win this challenge. But next time, I'm giving you an even harder one.
Please friends, comment below who is the winner. Hey audience, whoever you choose will be the real winner. Please subscribe for my next video. Thank you for watching.